marching in, oh when the saints go marching in, oh when the saints go marching in, saints go marching in, saints go marching in, saints go marching in.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to dance.
Every day I'm shuffling. They don't know much, they don't know much. They don't know much, they don't know much. They don't know much, they don't know much. They don't know much.
Don't hit, don't kiss, I'm on hustle.
In 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verse 31, it says, if one is to boast, he is to boast in Jesus. Come on. So we're not boasting about our church. We're not boasting about our youth. True. You know, because I serve a God who is super size. Oh, yeah. And let's show who really run this house. Who's in the house? Jesus in the house. The way. Jesus in the house. He's rocking all the way down. Woo.
Still be the same. See who I was, I give it away. Today, no longer bound by what people say. I know that I will make mistakes, oh, but I refuse to stay. Today,
I've been waiting all my life to get to know. Now it's time to let someone see there were life for so much more.
here we go.
Somebody, you somebody, we somebody, get somebody, touch somebody, love somebody, kiss somebody, love somebody.
I see the hurt on your face. Thinking how much more of this can I take? In a minute, I'm about to break. Today, see the pain and purpose all going away. There's a harvest if you hold it away. Don't walk out now, I need you to stay. Today,
Though we never felt friends go like this before, but
believe I'm gonna be